John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today we're going to take a lesson on how to draw a little character, a little old man holding some fruit and vegetables. Basically, very cartoony, like the old style Disney or Warner Brothers cartoon. So if you have something like that you enjoyed always watching and learning, now this lesson will be just perfect for you. So if you have your pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed, as I always say. Now, what can you take home from this lesson? Very easy. I like a history a lot. So when I look at characters and people I have to look at, I like look at their costumes or their history of what it was like to be back in those days, and I try to transform those clothing into a cartoon style. So why don't you take out a history book or go online and look at old-fashioned clothing and try to design a character wearing that old costume. It's really fun. I always enjoy it. Well, I want to say thanks for checking out this video as always, and have a great day.